So this is night 2 in my new little tiny house, and I was looking over some of the videos that I've made in the last day or two, and you know, a lot of them I look really ugly. Hair is wild, and so forth. And for those of you who I don't know personally, I am, a basically big city kid. I like style. I like being groomed. I like looking good. And I'm willing to sacrifice some of that in my new life out here on planet Earth. But overall, my stance is that nature is beautiful. Animals are beautiful. Uh, we're not intended to go to seed when we're living in nature. Doesn't mean, I'm going to get my hair colored and my nails done. Far from it. But living with nature is not about lowering my standards. It's about raising them. And I aim to be healthier, better looking, more robust than ever.